Corning and NVIDIA today announced a multi-year commercial and technology partnership to significantly scale US-based optical connectivity manufacturing and fiber production. To meet accelerating demand for new AI factory buildouts, that's data centers, Corning will increase optical connectivity capacity by 10 times and boost US fiber production by more than 50%. These are the components NVIDIA needs to power next-generation AI infrastructure. To make it happen, Corning will build 3 new advanced manufacturing facilities in North Carolina and Texas, which are expected to create more than 3,000 new jobs. Corning will manufacture the optical connectivity new hyperscale data centers will use to deploy accelerated computing at scale. Modern AI workloads require thousands of NVIDIA GPUs, which in turn demand unprecedented volumes of high-performance optical fiber, connectivity, and photonics to move data at extraordinary speed and scale, according to the companies. As data centers grow larger and spread throughout the United States, optical connectivity is becoming a vital part of AI infrastructure. NVIDIA founder and CEO Jensen Huang said, quote, "AI is driving the largest infrastructure build-out of our time and a once-in-a-generation opportunity to reinvigorate American manufacturing and supply chains." Corning is experiencing tremendous growth tied to the emerging AI economy. In January, Corning and Meta announced a multi-year agreement worth up to $6 billion to accelerate US data center build-out. Corning is also a part of Apple's effort to make essential materials and components domestically. The iPhone maker is planning to spend $400 million through 2030. IEN reached out to Corning and NVIDIA, but the companies did not immediately respond to our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.